All right, guys, check it out. As y'all can see, I have the new BaByliss Pro compact foil shaver right here. I got this in a couple weeks ago. Shout out to Fort Worth Barber Supply. If you want to purchase any tools or this tool, you can go to fwbarbersupply.com. Use my discount code TANK10 on that website to save yourself a little bit of money. But like I was saying, they sent me this about 2 or 3 weeks ago. Got it in the mail. I've been using it. So in this video, I'm actually going to be doing an unboxing and review for y'all. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this video. All right, so once again, check this out. Here is the box for the BaByliss Pro Compact Low Pro FX, whatever you want to call it, the Low Pro FX shaver, Compact Low Pro shaver, the compact shaver. It's a single foil shaver, just FYI if you are interested. And let's get to looking at some of the stuff in the box, and then we're going to open up the box and I'm going to let y'all know what I think about this tool. So as you can see, it does say new compact size. So it definitely is smaller than their previous single foil shavers. So I just want to throw that out there. It says compact high performance single foil shaver at the bottom. On the back, on the side, it says that it is 25% slimmer, which I can attest to that and say that it is slimmer than their previous single foil shaver. So let's read some of the stuff on this side. Hypoallergenic single foil lithium ion battery, compact housing, high speed motor, dual voltage, and 2-year warranty. So that's what we have on this side. And in the back, I'm gonna read some of the stuff on the back. It comes with a magnetic foil cover. The new compact size is 4-power high speed motor at 10,000 RPMs. It has up to 1.5 hours of runtime, durable and scratch resistant aluminum. So it's aluminum, it's scratch resistant, that's pretty tight. USB-C compatible, or you can use the charging stand that it does come with. And just FYI, I don't know if y'all remember this, but when I did the unboxing of the Low Pro compact clipper and trimmer, I showed y'all the charging dock, and the charging dock is interchangeable. You can put the shaver in any of the docks, same thing with the trimmer, and same thing with the clipper. So I just want to put that out there for y'all. But nonetheless, man, that's the box. Let's go ahead and open this thing up so y'all can see how this thing looks. And like I said, I've been using it, but I did put it back in the box for y'all so we can get the full, experience of me unboxing this tool. So check it out. We'll take it out of here, and it's in this other box inside of the box. So we'll take it out like that, and there's nothing else inside of this box. We just have it right here. Now, it did come with like a plastic sleeve on it over the shaver, but obviously I chunked that out once I started using this. But check it out, man. This is the compact low pro foil shaver. Black lid, aluminum housing, as they said on the box. Thumb indentation for the shaver, really dope, makes it really comfortable in hand. As y'all can see, the back is black, but we got that nice blue to match the clipper and trimmer on the front. I'm gonna go ahead and take off this cap. Now, I have been using it, so there might be a little bit of hair on there, but as y'all can see, that is the single foil. I don't know if y'all can see it due to the lighting, but that is the single foil on there. Let's go ahead and turn this thing on for y'all so y'all can hear it. Feels really powerful in hand, and I'm liking the sound of this shaver. Feels really powerful and it's got a good, nice sound to it. So check it out. Once again, that is the shaver. But let's go ahead and look at what else comes in this box. I'm gonna be honest with you, I haven't even took anything out of this box. I just been charging this on the other charging docks for my clipper and trimmer. So let's go ahead and move this out of the way. Take this out. So we also get the user manual, pamphlet, sticker. We don't ever look at that, right? Like, let's just be honest. I don't ever really look at that. It does come with a little cleaning brush that I never use either. We do get a USB-C to USB plug, which is dope because, we be needing these, but also not just because I need it, but it's gonna work with the charging base, So they do give us a charging brick as well. And then they give us the charging base. Here is the charging dock right here. Take this out for y'all. So here is the charging dock, the BaByliss Pro charging dock for the Compact Low Pro FX series. As you can see, we got the USB-C plug back there. So you just take this USB-C or any USB-C you have, plug it in there, plug this into a wall, plug it into the brick, you know, you're gonna get it to charge. But you can also charge it directly into the shaver. So if you don't like charging docks, which I don't know who don't like charging docks, right? But if you don't like charging docks, you can just plug the USB-C straight into the machine itself, and then plug this into the brick or, you know, another source of power. That way you can charge it up. So you got a little bit of options with this. But that's basically, yeah, that's everything that comes inside of this box. So we don't get nothing else in there. All we get is the shaver. We get a little brush to clean it. We get a charging cord. We get the charging brick, the pamphlet, and then we also get the charging dock. And let's be honest, man, that's really all you need. Like sometimes companies be throwing other stuff in there. Like we don't need all that. All we need is the tool, a charger, and I mean for a shaver, that's really all you need, right? So check that out. That's how it sits in the dock, and it sits in there pretty sturdily. Like it's not gonna fall out, right? Like obviously if I turn it, it may fall, but if it's on a station, it's not gonna fall out. And I do like that these charging docks are interchangeable, because like I said, I haven't took this out of the box until now, so I've just been charging this on my other charging docks that came with the trimmer and the clipper. So once again, here is the Compact Low Pro FX single foil shaver. Check that out. So that's basically what comes in the box, man. Once again, shout out Forward Barber Supply. If y'all do want to purchase this tool or any other tool, y'all can go to fwbarbersupply.com. Check them out, man. They always keep me stocked up with everything I need when it comes to hair products, aftershaves, blades, razors, tools, anything you need in the barbershop, Forward Barber Supply has. So y'all make sure to check them out. Once again, that website is fwbarbersupply.com, and use my discount code TANK10 to save yourself a little bit of money. But getting back into this video, now that we've seen everything that comes in the box for this shaver, we're gonna start talking about the performance of this shaver. All right, so all in all, as y'all can see, it's nice, compact tool, right? Like, really, for me, I like it. Like, I like the way it feels in my hand. I like that it's a smaller shaver. Obviously, I feel that a double foil shaver works better for larger areas, but this can get the job done if this is all you had, right? Like, if you only had money to buy one thing and you wanted to get this, it can get the job done. Now, when you're going over a lot of hair, it may take you a little longer, but it is gonna get it down nice and short. And me personally, when I'm doing low fades, tapers, burst fades, anything where it's not a large area of hair, I'm gonna be using a single foil shaver. And I like this single foil shaver because I feel that it is really, really powerful. Like I said, when you turn it on, you can just feel the power of this shaver. So I think that this shaver is actually really powerful and it works really well. And even though it takes you a little longer to take down a lot of hair, like I said earlier, you still can take down a lot of hair with this. Like if you did a full head shave with this, you can do it. It's gonna get the hair down super bald. It just may take you a little while longer, right? Like if you had a double foil shaver, it's gonna work a little better. But this tool, I don't think technically is made for full head shaves. It's not made to take down hair in a large area. It's made for them hard to reach places, you know, tapers, low fades, above the lip, you know, under the neck when you're, you know, before you do the razor work, behind, the beard area back here, you know, the goatee, all that. So I think this works really well. And a little tip for y'all barbers who use razor on the beard, what I like to do is I like to go over it with the shaver first. Like I'll go over the lip, I'll go over right here, behind this area down here. I'll go over it with a shaver first, particularly this shaver because it's a smaller shaver, it gets them hard to reach areas. So I'll go over it with a shaver first and then I'll hit it with the razor. And you can even do that behind the ear, like on little kids. Some little kids, it's hard to get that straight razor on because they like to move. But you can also use this, you know, behind the ear, you know, even on the edge up if you needed to on certain clients, and it'll still get it down short. So for that reason, man, that's why I think that single foil shavers are good tools and they have their place, you know, in my toolbox, right? Like I'm not gonna use it all day, every day, but I can if I needed to. And all in all, man, I think this thing works well. As far as runtime, it says it has an hour and a half runtime. I haven't really put that to the test, honestly. When I'm not using it, I've, either put it back on the charger or I put it to charge overnight. So I hadn't had it die on me yet. But that's because, like I said, when companies send you charging docks and charging stands, it's gonna make it real easy for your clippers to stay charged up. So I like when clippers include charging bases in their products. That's just me personally. Like I said, I know some people don't like, charging stands for whatever reason, but BaByliss did include that with the tool, so you ain't really got to worry about the tool dying. My only concern about this shaver right now is the foil heads. Like, I don't think it takes the same foil head from the original single foil shavers. I think it's a different, a thinner shaver. I could be wrong. If I'm wrong, y'all let me know down in the comments. But if I'm right, y'all let me know as well. So who knows when they're gonna come out with the foil heads. I'm not sure if they are out yet. But once again, if you find them online, let me know where we can get them, because I like using this, and I think I'm gonna be using this long term. I did also get another single foil shaver that I'll be doing a video on shortly as well, the wall single foil shaver. So I'll be doing a video on that as well. So if you're new to the channel and y'all watching this video, subscribe, because your boy does be dropping some great content, unboxings, reviews, tutorials, all that good stuff, right? But with that being said, man, check it out once again, the Compact Low Pro shaver, single foil shaver. Y'all check that out. And that's basically it for this video, man. I talked about everything I needed to talk about. Performance-wise, like I said, works well. Ergonomics, I like the ergonomics of it. Everything that comes in the box, y'all seen me unbox it in front of y'all. So that's basically what this video is about, man. So once again, if you want to purchase this, you can go to fwbarbersupply.com. Use my discount code TANK10 on that website to save yourself some money. But that's basically it for this video, guys. I appreciate y'all for watching. Until next time, let's go.